What do I mean by real money flows? It could be a central bank adjusting its reserve position, a sovereign wealth fund buying or selling currencies, a corporation hedging or repatriating foreign currency, or simply a bond or stock transaction, or something else. I personally don't care. All I care about is that I can identify when real money flows are going through, and I have a strategy that can take advantage of this information to put on trades. So let's look at a sterling dollar chart from April 12, 2021 to see what I mean by real money flows. First, you had sterling coming down sharply. Found the bottom here. We have a second red amazing trader line. This is a directional indicator pointing to a change in direction that also signals a potential bottom. What followed was a straight line move up. What we mean by straight line move up means there have been no retracements here. And that indicates that there have been real money buying that's created an imbalance that the market's having difficulty absorbing. And it's pushing higher, looking for a level where you can restore the imbalance. But the question you should be then asking is, in a straight line move up like this, where there have been no retracements to get in, how do you trade with, quote, inside information? Inside information being that there's real money buying going on. As explained in the AT strategy guide, what we do is revert to the next lowest time frame. In this case, happens to be a 5-minute chart, looking for ways to enter using our, quote, ladder strategy. What do you notice here? We have our directional indicator by these two red lines. And then on the way up, none of these red lines have been violated, meaning that if you would have bought at anywhere along the pathway, hopefully earlier than later, and put your stop below the most recent red amazing trader line, you'd be in your position and able to go with the flow, with the real money, and enter a position where if you would have looked at the next time frame, there's seemingly no place to enter a position. This is all explained in the strategy guide. We identify when there's real money flows, then we revert to a time frame where we can enter a trade. So that's how to trade using inside information. We don't care what the flow is. We only want to know that it's going on. And it's indicated on this time frame where the straight line move up. It's indicated by this time frame by the rising red lines. So the bottom line is, this is as close as you'll ever get to trading with inside information. You don't have to know what the flow is, just that it's going on. And now you have a strategy to execute trades with it once you identify the pattern that real money has created an imbalance in the market. So scroll down, join our program, and start trading with, quote, inside information.